Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I'm taking you along my day and I'll be showing you a lot of fun activities that are going to be happening. We are also going to pass by the market and buy some fresh produce. We are also working on a very interesting project which you can tell from the title, and on the kitchen diaries we are going to be looking at some simple and healthy recipes that I have been making, and I'm really enjoying my new eating habits because I'm keeping healthy and I'm also feeling very rejuvenated and excited about it. If you want to watch this and much more, stay tuned and keep on watching. To start off my day, I'm actually making a punch of fresh cucumber, beetroot, apples and ginger juice, and this is how I start my day. And this is really healthy, and especially because I'll be leaving the house today, I just want to have something healthy to keep me going throughout the day. So this is the juice, and if you want to check out on this juicer, I have done a review which I'm going to be linking on the description bar of this video, so you can go ahead and check it out. It's actually very easy to use and very easy to make a juice on the go, and you're always assured to get the best. So this is my first drink in the morning after my usual warm water and what have you, and I'm skipping coffee and milk nowadays. So when I get the fresh punch of juice, I'm excited and always in happy moods. So after this is done, I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze in a bit of fresh lemon on it to just add a little bit of tanginess and some refreshing twist to the drink. And that's just about it. I'm just going to pour in a glass of this and enjoy it. Ready to leave the house, and we are on our way. And as you can tell from the title, we are visiting a place that we bought some piece of land, and we will be going there because we have already given out some work for people to fence the area, and that's where we are going to be spending the day. And I ensure that the work is done and it's done perfectly. So take a ride with me and let's just see how the day unfolds. I want to encourage you today that whatever it is that you are praying God to give you, whatever it is that you are believing in, if you have a dream, you want to invest, to buy a car, to buy a piece of land, to get a house, anything you wish for, to go to college, to university, you can do it. Just keep holding on and keep working. Here, and this is the area. It's actually a very good area and it's growing. We already have so many neighbors and upcoming homes, and this is actually the work that we've been doing, and see, it's almost done. So this is what we will be doing the whole day, just supervising and making sure that everything is done. Our neighbors are already there and they have already started constructing. We already have people here who are already grazing their cows. Just enjoy the views. young people, we should empower ourselves. We should learn so much from our parents. Like us, we are learning so much from our parents because they really invested so much in their lives, and right now we are reaping even some of their benefits, so we shouldn't be left behind. So if you get some money, save it and buy a property somewhere. And voila, look at the scene we were treated to on our way back. Some zebras obviously grazing with goats in this area. How amazing. They're grazing just down right here at the backyard. How amazing is the view? And they're cruising with the goats. Like a perfect match. On our way back, obviously we found the market, and there are a lot of fresh produce, and what better way than to just indulge and purchase some vegetables over here. On our kitchen diaries, yes, it has been a long time since we came up here, and today I will be showing you a very interesting recipe. And for those of you who love carrots, I'm so sure you're going to enjoy this recipe. So what we are doing is basically slightly sauteing our carrots and making a side dish from it. So the first thing, of course, you need to do is to make sure that your carrots are clean. I'm just going ahead with the peeler and making sure that all the skins are removed. So chop your carrots, choose whichever shape you would like, but I prefer this one. So after this is done, we are going into the next step, which is to cook our carrots. And we are just going to put on some heat. Then in a clean sufuria, we are adding in our carrots, and then we are adding in water. And this is just to make sure that the carrots have cooked until they have softened. And remember, it's softening, not overcooking them. So just make sure that they come into a boil and get soft. It's about 7 minutes or so. So now they are almost, yeah, they are soft actually. And the next step is we are just going to drain them and get them out of the heat. On the next step, we are putting in our pan, and in medium heat we have our butter. Make sure you are doing this on low heat so that you don't burn whatever it is that you're cooking. So on our butter, we are adding in, that's our minced ginger. Then after this, we are adding in a bit of sugar. If you have brown sugar, go ahead and use brown sugar on this recipe. It actually has a really good flavor when you saute these carrots. So I don't have brown sugar, so I'm going to be adding just ordinary sugar. Then I'll cook it a bit, then add in my carrots Remember, these carrots, we had parboiled them, so they are soft. On the carrots, I'm adding in some black pepper, a little bit of salt to taste, and then I'm going to give them a quick stir. Toss them around and make sure that they get covered with the butter, and of course the salt, the black pepper also get incorporated in the carrots. Let them cook a little bit more as you stir them. Remember, here you just want them to absorb the flavor of butter, black pepper, and the salt, and of course the ginger that was there earlier. So the cooking time here is about 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure that you are not overcooking them, because you still want them to be firm to the touch, but of course well cooked. This is also another way that you can encourage your kids to enjoy carrots, because carrots are really healthy for our eyes, for our skin, for so many nutrients. And yeah, it's good and fun if you also include them in your daily meals. If you're new here to this channel, welcome aboard, and please consider subscribing to the channel and also click the notification bell so that you're notified anytime we upload a new video. So now our carrots are sauteed enough, and we're just going to add in some cilantro, dania, or whatever you call them, and this is just to give them a good twist and to garnish them perfectly. Just look at this combination, and the taste and the smell when they are cooking is just mwah. And now our carrots are ready. My other meal that is going with this dish is I have boiled sweet potatoes, which I have actually warmed in the oven, and also a piece of tomato, which I've also put in the oven, and some cheese. So that's the side dish, together with some grilled chicken. And that's my dinner, and this is how I'm trying to eat healthy, getting all flavors, getting my vegetables, getting my meat, protein, and also eating a touch of carbohydrates, which actually is really good when it comes to losing weight, or just actually maintaining that weight that you feel like you're comfortable in. And yeah, just look at how magnificent this looks, and who wouldn't enjoy this? Go ahead and try out this recipe and let me know in the comment section what else you'd love to see on the channel. And until next time, take care of yourself, guys, and let's keep spreading love. Bye bye.